Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add money or fund on your PayPal from your bank account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, on the other page, you'll be directed to your home page. So then you have to tap on transfer money, which is under PayPal balance. After you tap on it, on the other page you have multiple options. So then you'll have to tap on the option that is add money to your balance, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll have to enter the bank detail that includes entering your account number. And after that, you also have to enter the amount that you want to add it to your PayPal account. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on add, which is right at the bottom. So once you're done, make sure to review all of your information correctly and then tap on add, which is right at the bottom once again. And as soon as you tap on add, you'll be notified that you've successfully added fund or money to your PayPal account. So that is how you can add money on your PayPal from your bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.